and welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. I'm pleased to offer this 2015 SKODA Octavia 2-litre TDI SE L 4-wheel drive estate in metallic silver. It's had just one owner from new and comes with service history and has covered 63,000 miles. Features include satellite navigation, heated front seats, cruise control, both front and rear parking sensors, and Bluetooth connectivity. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 0161 494 2113 or visit our website at www.mouselow.co.uk. Thank you for watching.